Have you ever wanted to hear Morgan Freeman say the word poop several dozen times? Yes? So here we have a very talented impressionist reading the children's book Everybody Poops in the voice of Morgan Freeman.
Everyone poops, as read by Morgan Freeman. An elephant makes a big poop. A mouse makes a tiny poop. A one-hump camel makes a one-hump poop. A two-hump camel makes a two-hump poop. Only kidding.
Holy shit. No pun intended. No, really, this is amazing. This guy out Morgan Freeman'd Morgan Freeman. Listen to how accurate this is, okay? I'm gonna put a picture of Morgan Freeman up and listen to the voice.
Some poop here or there. Others do it in a special place. Grown-ups poop. Children poop too.
So here's a little backstory to this. Apparently the impressionist Joseph Scales did a similar video about a year ago, and it landed him on the front page of a website called Reddit.com. Now this exposure actually led to him becoming an actual voice actor. So he's posting this Everybody Poops as read by Morgan Freeman as a thank you to the website Reddit.com. You know, this is great. It's like a touching way to end the week. I hope Joseph Scales gets all the Morgan Freeman voice acting work his heart desires, like Shawshank Redemption, the animated series. In fact, I kind of want to hire this guy to narrate my life.
As Ray stood there on the set, he pondered the thought of another man's firm, naked ass.
What? That's not what I'm thinking.
That's exactly what he thought.
All right, guys, that's it. Nice little touching way to end the week. Don't take my word for it. Check out the original. Link is in the description. And I'll see you tomorrow for another Q&A podcast. I'm Ray William Johnson, and I approve this message. This is one of the most uneventful viral videos I've ever watched, but it got 5 million views, so let's talk about it.